want to share with you the 2 words that make her body open up before you even touch her. I'm Arica, Angelo. I've been doing this for 18 years. Make sure you subscribe. So here's the thing. When it comes to a woman's body, did you know that you could get the juices flowing for us before you even lay a finger, before you even lay a tongue, before you even lay a dong, before you do any of that? You can make her body open up in ways that already get her pleasure going, that gets her excited, that gets the juices flowing, and sets her up so that when you are ready to put it down on her, that she is open, ready, firing on all cylinders, ready to receive from you. And you have the capability of doing that. And I want to tell you, there's just 2 words you need to say. But before I tell you those 2 words, here is the big component that she needs from you. And this is where most guys fail. Because, let's just be honest. Look at me right now on the camera. Do you feel like the sexiest guy? Do you feel that energy of like, when I get her to the bedroom, I'm going to perform like a stud. It is going to be like the best Oscar-winning pleasure movie of a lifetime. Do you feel that energy in yourself before you even get her into the bedroom? If the answer is no, this is why it's falling short before you guys even get to the bedroom, because your energy is not showing up. That can put it down on her body. You don't feel like you're that man that can make her explode below. You're that man that you feel like even when you're in between her legs licking, you don't even know if she is going to orgasm, if she's going to come from that. And so you don't even trust in your abilities to bring her pleasure. And guess what, my man? She is feeling that energy from you, which means she's not excited to go to the bedroom with you because she feels that sense of self-judgment toward yourself, the fact that you don't trust yourself in the process. And I want to remove all of those barriers so that you can start trusting yourself in the bedroom. In fact, in the comment section, write trust in myself, because that is super important when it comes to a woman's pleasure. So here's the thing. When you know what to do and you can visualize yourself, say it with me, visualize yourself doing that to her body, touching her breast, licking on her neck, licking down her legs, hearing her moan. If you can visualize yourself doing that to your wife, to your woman, when you can see yourself doing that, here is the missing link that you are not doing. First, give yourself mother freaking permission to visualize yourself doing beautiful things to your woman's body. Gotta give yourself permission, because what's gonna happen from there is everything to get her to those 2 words. And that is this. Once you visualize yourself doing, you then have to start saying what you see. Say it with me. Say what I see. And it goes like this with these 2 words. Baby, when I come home, I'm going. Those 2 words right there. I'm going to lay you on your back, gently spread your thighs open, come in between your legs, breathe up and down your neck, licking all over your neck. I'm going to breathe in your ear and tell you that you are the sexiest, most fiery, most beautiful woman I have ever met. I'm going to take my tongue and run it all the way down, licking your areolas, coming all the way down, circling around your belly button, and then bringing my head all the way down below, in between your thighs, licking you into absolute bliss. Can you imagine if you told her those 2 words, I'm going to, and whatever it is that you are visualizing about doing to her body, if you would consistently communicate that to her, what you would do is spark her 1 word, and that is anticipation. When you build that anticipation for her, that gets her going, that gets her wet before you even touch her body, because you are putting an image, a mental picture of all the beautiful, erotic, exotic things that you are going to do to her body. Now, I have a free female pleasure system. It's a free training. It's a video here on YouTube. You can go watch it right now. It's in the comment section. It's in the description. And I walk you through the full way of bringing pleasure to her body. But the reality is she needs to know that you get excited about her. She needs to know that you desire her. Even if it's just a little text throughout the day to say, baby, I'm thinking about you. You look so sexy in those red underwear last night. Baby, I'm thinking about the way your hair smelled and I can't wait to bury my face in your neck and just smell your beautiful pheromones because you turn me on so much. When a woman knows that she is desired by her man, it begins to unlock her pleasure, and you mastering her pleasure, knowing how to bring her that ultimate bliss in the bedroom will set you years ahead for you guys having that consistent orgasmic sex that you deserve, that belongs to you. It's just you've got to get the right tools to really master her body, and that's why I'm here to give you those tools. I hope you hit that subscribe button. Go watch that free video right now. It's in the comment section, it's in the description, and I will see you in my next video.